In front of me is Hammer Blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then click on biometrics and password. Select screen lock at the top left corner and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Lastly, answer this question to adjust your lock screen notifications. I will go with show all notification content. Then tap on done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!